Hello and welcome to my project review. This is Lindsay Kula. I'm reviewing the Python application that I've built for the Python programming class in Santa Cruz University. My application is for a fantasy basketball type game, and I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the program. So I'm going to hit play. And down here, you can look on the bottom of the screen. You can see it says, "Welcome to Fantasy Basketball Game. Are you a newbie or a returning player?" Click N for a newbie or R as a returning fan. So I'm going to go ahead and hit R right now and show you the way the system works with an existing account. So I'm going to hit R. It says, "What is your name?" I'm going to type my name. And then here it says, "Welcome back, Lindsay. What would you like to do today?" So part of the code in the background here actually goes and checks that yes, you do have an account, and verifies that, and I have a user account.dat file that it goes and stores this information and checks to make sure that I do have an account. So here you can see the main menu. I have game rules, creating a team. You can add the players to the team that you built. You can view your existing teams, and you can quit the program. So I'm going ahead and selecting one, and here you can see the rules to the game. I'm not going to read through all of this because this is more of a display of how the application functions, but basically overall high summary of what the system does here is that you can, as a player to this game, you can create as many basketball teams as you want, but you can only have 9 players with a minimum of 5 players on your team. And you can submit the team to play per an NBA game night, and at the end of the night, depending on how each player did, calculates the total of your budget, and you see how much you either won or lost the next morning for your team. So that's pretty a high synopsis of the game. I'm planning on rolling this out in different versions. Right now I have just one version, the top version, and it has kind of the guts to it, but not all the bells and whistles. So, alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the main menu. I can do this by hitting any key. So, now I'm going to, since I've already have an account, I'm going to show you guys about how to view the teams I've already created. So I'm going to hit 4 on that option. So here you can see my teams I've created: winners, all-stars, Maui Wowie. So if you want to see the actual players on the team, you just would type, so it says enter team name to get player info, or exit, go back to the main menu. So let's just check out Maui Wowie. Alright, so you can see here that there's currently 3 people on this roster. I'm going to go ahead and return to the main menu, and I'm going to add somebody to this team. So by doing that, I hit number 2. And I'm going to say, ask me, create your team name, let's select the player. So actually I hit number 2, and that's actually an option to create a new team. So I'm going to say, create a team here, jump high. Right, it's asking me if I want to create another team, and at this time I don't. So let's see here. I'm going to hit number 3, and I'm going to, let's say, select Paul Gasol. So here it says, to get more information on the player, enter the number to the left of the name. So let's see. We want, like I said, we're going to select Paul Gasol. So number 13. So you hit number 13, and then it gives you some information about that player. So here's Paul Gasol, plays for the Bulls. He's a center/forward. He's 6 foot and 250, and a couple other information here. So if you want to add him to the team, or a team that you had created, you hit A, and here it'll give you a selection that says enter the team name you want to add the player to. So here's the team name, and then you have the balance. The balance is another higher version that I plan on rolling out, but at this stage the balance doesn't really have too much detail into it. So right now I want to add Paul Gasol to Maui Wowie, the existing team that I had just displayed. So I'm going to select Maui Wowie, And then it's going to say you have selected you have selected Paul Gasol to be added to Maui team. This is just a check in the code to make sure that it's running right and make sure that the user is aware before they add the person to the team. So it says enter Y to confirm. So I enter Y and it says Paul Gasol has been added to Maui team. So let's go check this out and make sure that it's working right. So I'm going to go back to number 4 and look at the team. So let's say Maui. Right. So now the team that I was just displaying has the new player, Paul Gasol. Alright? So you can see the functionality here. Right. So I'm going to now quit this program and come in as a brand new user. I'm going to hit start. And this time, like I said, I'm going to be new. Right? So now, what would you like your username to be? Let's go with Lou. Lulu. That's my cat's name. Oh, look, I've already used that account name. So, like I said earlier, there's some logic behind the code that says, what's your username? I'm going to say Lulu, but Lulu's already been taken. So, it circles back around and says, gives you another option to put another name in there. So, let's put Jerry. Okay. So, it says, Jerry, have fun playing. So at this time, it's a brand new account. It doesn't have any teams in here, so you can go in here in number 4 and you can say, look, here are your existing teams. There's no teams listed, so obviously it's time to get to work and have some fun. So I'm going to hit X. It says, enter the team name of the player info or X to go right to the main menu. So I'm going to hit X, and at this point, the new user can go in and create teams and add players. So I've already displayed that functionality. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and quit the demo, and I hope you enjoyed watching it.